For most things, your kids will start on my website. You can see over here they've got their work. ClassLinks has everything they need. You can see here, IXL, Typing Agent, MobyMax, Prodigy, all of those are through Clever. Days, Empower, and Visions. Right now, we're going to talk about Social Studies Weekly. So here, when they click on Social Studies Weekly, it will take them, let me log out. It will take them to their login page. Their username and passwords are in their green folder. However, if they need them, please make sure you contact me and I will get it for you. This is the only new thing we hadn't practiced extensively, but I have sat down with each of the kids and gone through what it should look like. When they come in, they'll have their publication, and each week they'll have a different assignment. When they click here on the week, they'll have these articles to read, and they will have questions to answer. Each time they answer a question, they'll get what are called Rev points, and I've told them they'll get Dojo points for their Rev points. For every 50 points, they get 5 Dojo points from the class. They're going to go through, they'll have about 2 each day. They're not very long. They can listen to them or they can read them. At the end, they can take their test, which is just some multiple choice questions based on what they've done. It's not very long. It's not very hard. This one is a fill in the blank, but they're pretty simple. And this will help us hit in a more steady way the social studies content. I do have level 2 and level 3 for my level 3 learners. When they're done, they can go and look at some of these things. Explorers. Is thinking about it. Or some of those other things. These are just fun only if they've already finished everything else.